Hello Seed Savers! I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to collect zinnia seeds. Zinnias are wonderful additions to any garden. They come in a variety of colors and are great for attracting pollinators. They are quick to grow and will bloom until the frost. Zinnias will cross-pollinate, so if you or your neighbor grow different types, the seeds you gather may look different from the parent plants. If you want to make sure that your seeds are true to type, there are a few different methods you can use, such as isolation distance, planting only one type, or using insect netting or bags. I will be creating a video on all these methods, so be on the lookout for that. But zinnias are one of those flowers where it's really fun to collect the seeds without worrying about them mixing. You can get some really cool looking varieties this way. The seeds on your zinnias are ready when the flower head has turned all brown and crunchy. If you want to make sure you've caught all the seeds, you can place a tool bag over the flower head. You can get quite a lot of seeds from each flower head though, so it's not really necessary. When your flower head looks like a mummified zinnia, simply cut it off and take it inside to dry out someplace cool and dry. Also, make sure you don't collect seeds from any flowers that have powdery mildew on them. To remove the seeds, just tug lightly on the dried flower petals. The seeds themselves will look kind of like arrowheads at the base of each petal. The seeds are usually a dark gray or brown in color. The ones at the base of the flower will be more large and flat, and the ones closer to the top of the flower will be thinner. Toss away any white seeds you come across, because those are not fertilized. Separate the petals and bits from your seeds, and put all that junk into your compost. If you store your seeds in a cool, dry place, they should last around 10 years. If you'd like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so in my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!